I was building axrank.ai, my tool that grades how well agents can use any developer API, and every time I added a new data source, I wrote a custom connector, custom auth, custom schema mapping, custom error happening, each one from scratch. It was a nightmare. Then I discovered MCP, and I felt like an idiot for all that work. Now, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's a standard that gives AI models a single, consistent way to connect to external tools, databases, and APIs instead of writing a custom integration every time. You build one MCP server and any MCP compliant AI hosts can talk to it. It's easy. Now, Anthropic released it in late 2024. By 2025, OpenAI, Google were both supporting it, and now it's under the Linux Foundation. I see hundreds and hundreds of MCPs out there now. It's not a startup anymore, it's industry standard. I guess the best way to think of it is like USB-C. Before USB-C, every device had its own cable and it was difficult to connect. MCP does the same thing for AI integrations. One protocol works everywhere with all the tools that you already use. Cursor, Klein, Claude Code, Anthropic, all of those. Your tools live on the server side with MCP. The AI host is the client. Now the model discovers what tools are available, decides which one to call, and gets the results back, all over a standard JSON RPC interface. If you're building any type of AI agent right now and you're not using MCP, you're writing code that you're going to throw away. Now I'm Quentin, I build AI-powered apps and talk through what actually works. If you want the full breakdown, system prompts, few shot examples, real production patterns, make sure you like and subscribe.